Groundwater surveyors play a crucial role in the assessment and management of the groundwater resources in Faridabad city. With the growing population and increasing demands for water, it has become essential to accurately determine the availability and quality of groundwater in the region. These surveyors are equipped with the knowledge and tools to conduct comprehensive surveys and gather data on groundwater levels, aquifer characteristics, and water quality parameters. By analyzing this data, they provide valuable insights into the current state of the groundwater resources in Faridabad city. The surveyors employ various techniques to conduct their surveys, including drilling boreholes, installing monitoring wells, and using geophysical methods to map subsurface geology and identify potential groundwater sources. They also collect water samples for laboratory analysis to assess its suitability for different purposes such as drinking, irrigation, or industrial use. By combining these techniques and data, they create detailed maps and reports that help in making informed decisions regarding groundwater management and planning for sustainable water usage. One of the key aspects of their work is designing appropriate strategies for sustainable groundwater use. This involves identifying suitable recharge areas, promoting rainwater harvesting techniques, and implementing measures to prevent contamination of groundwater sources. The surveyors work closely with local authorities, urban planners, and other stakeholders to ensure that the groundwater resources are utilized efficiently and protected from degradation. They also provide recommendations for the installation of water treatment systems where necessary to ensure the quality of groundwater. In Faridabad city, where rapid urbanization and industrialization are putting a strain on water resources, the role of groundwater surveyors is of utmost importance. In the evaluation and management of the groundwater resources in the city of Faridabad, groundwater surveyors are essential. It is crucial to precisely assess the quantity and quality of groundwater in the area due to the expanding population and rising water needs. These surveyors possess the skills and resources necessary to carry out thorough investigations and compile information on aquifer properties, groundwater levels, and water quality criteria. They offer insightful analysis on the existing situation of the groundwater resources in the city of Faridabad. In order to map the subsurface geology and find prospective groundwater sources, the surveyors use a variety of procedures, such as drilling boreholes, setting up monitoring wells, and employing geophysical methods. In order to determine the water's fitness for various uses, like drinking, irrigation, or industrial usage, they also gather samples for laboratory study. They develop detailed maps and reports by integrating these methods and data, which aid in the creation of plans for sustainable water use and the management of groundwater. Designing appropriate techniques for the sustainable use of groundwater is one of the important facets of their work. This entails locating appropriate recharge places, promoting rainwater collection methods, and putting precautions in place to prevent groundwater contamination.